Power. Comrade power. I'm here again to address my comrade, and the information I'm giving, there is no comrade or no aspirant who have stepped down or dropped due to any fear. We are ready to face anyone, Omundu. And if any comrade or aspirant will be dropped out of the veterans because of the Luo or the Kalenjins in the committee, I promise and assure you there will be no election next month. Comrade power. Comrade power. If there will be no fairness during the vetting committee, there will be no election. Comrade power. Comrade power. And I repeat again, there will be no elections again. This is Mlongo Jeremiah.